Let's brainstorm what we want in our mindful garden.
First, we might outlining an arch.
Oh, look at that.
I really like soft grass, so maybe I'll draw some soft grass we can walk barefoot on.
Yeah, there's something beautiful about that feeling. Now, one of the things that I love about nature is all the patterns, and I was looking around at some of the plants and I thought, well, there's so many beautiful patterns in nature.
Step 1, plot out the area that's going to become mindful. It doesn't have to be very big.
Step 2, hang your wind chime somewhere high and breezy.
Yeah!
Step 3, lay down some different coloured rocks to create a rock swirl.
Step 4, plant out your tickly feet ground cover.
Okay, then mine goes there.
Yep. You'll need to give it a nice big drink once it's been planted.
Step 5, the plants. Native mint bush, rosemary and lavender will make your mindful garden smell amazing and make it a place everyone will want to spend time.
Our mindful garden has turned out so beautifully. We should be proud of ourselves, I reckon.
Mindful tea in the garden. Come on, guys, let's have a cheers.
To mindful times.
Oh, this is so good. This is not very peaceful anymore. Not even mindful iced tea can fix this.
Mm-hmm.